Haven't been one of these in a while. So I think the last time I uploaded a video was like April, maybe? It's September 9th right now. So, yeah, it's been a while. And in case any of my 35 followers are wondering, the reason I stopped posting was because I just felt like I was shilling products for views. And it got to a point where I really hated it. And that's why I think Elmer's Tact and Stick is a fantastic product, and everybody should honestly just go out and buy themselves some Elmer's Tact and Stick right now. Elmer's Tact and Stick? I'm trying to sell you Elmer's Tact and Stick? No. So I decided I needed to go on a very long soul-searching expedition. No. Oh, and I bought a truck. So after months of trying to figure out what I wanted to do and what I wanted my creative outlet to be, I happened upon a beautiful fixed lens point and shoot Fujifilm X100F. And so I took it. Hey! No, I'm just joking. I obviously didn't steal it. It wasn't hanging in a tree. I mean, it would have been great if it was, because even used and, 7 years old or however old that camera is, it was still pretty expensive. But, I thought I wanted to try out photography. I'd done videography a little bit, and it was fun to tell a story and everything, but I wanted to try my hand at just photography. Try to tell a story in a single image. And of course, I happened upon, James Popsis and Faisal Westcott and Roman Fox, who, are now my best friends. They just don't know it. So if you guys ever want to hang out, let me know, because I'm totally down to hang out with you guys whenever you want to, because I think you're fantastic photographers and you inspire me a whole lot. But anyway, so, after watching a bunch of Faisal's videos, I decided I would pick up the Fuji X100, and I decided to go with the X100F just because it was used and cheaper, but it still had good megapixels and the kind of newer sensor in it. And honestly, I love this little camera. It's fantastic, and of course, again, because of Faisal and Roman, I started trying out street photography because I've tried to do portraitures for my old job, and I suck at it. You gotta have good lighting, you need to do skin tone editing, you need to do all of this stuff that I'm terrible at. I can't do portraits. But candids I could do. Walking around downtown, I usually get to work a little early, I get my stuff all set up, and then I'll go out for about an hour while other people are heading to their offices. And I would just walk around and take photos. And I loved it. And especially with a camera this small, it's so unassuming that when you're pointing it at people, they don't even notice. They don't even care. I just really love that aspect of this camera. Of course, I can talk about the colors and the film simulations and all that stuff, but this isn't a sponsored video. I'm not here to talk about this specific camera. I'm just here to talk about the general idea of photography and how I really feel like that's my calling, at least currently, and I hope for the foreseeable future, I'm going to be doing photography. And so, if you subscribe to my channel due to my previous videos, I hope that you continue to be subscribed with this new format that I'm going to do, where I'm literally just going to be doing street photography wherever I am, mostly Austin, which isn't great for street photography, as we'll see from a video I made this morning of me trying to walk around and take photos of people going to work. On a Friday morning, I guess there wasn't a whole lot going on, so I do think that this session's photo shoot was not great, but they can't all be winners. Here's a little shoot that I did this morning. I've got the DJI Action 2 mounted to my chest, and I'm just walking around taking photos with the Fuji X100F.
Life is like a bitch, you a bitch. We'll kick it all the time.
Yeah, honestly, from this morning's shoot, I don't think that there's any photos that I would actually want to keep. But it's a practice, you know. I try to get out, not every day, you know, maybe 4 or 5 times a week, and just take photos because it's a practice. It's an art. I'm trying to get better at it. I hope I do get better at it. I've had some bangers, but my consistency is pretty low. Anyway, that's all I got. Who knows when I'll post again, but you know, it's not really what it's about anymore. I'm not trying to stick myself to a schedule where I have to post every week. I'm gonna post when I feel like posting or when I feel like I have something worth posting. So anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking around, subscribing, liking, doing all that crap that you're supposed to do on YouTube, and See you in the next one.